Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at 2018 Maths Ordinary Level Paper 1, Question 1. This is a financial maths question and percentages are in here as well. So let's read through the word statement very carefully and then solve the problem. When Sean joined a sales company, he was offered a choice of two different salary contracts. The details are outlined in the table below. So these are the details. Now we have to find out how much Sean would earn under each contract in a year where his total sales were 400,000. Okay, so for contract A, I know that his salary is 35,000, so he's definitely going to have that, 35,000. And he also earns 2% commission on his sales. So I have to add 2% of his sales, 2% times 400,000. Excuse me. So when I add those two up, it's going to turn into 35,000 plus 8,000. 8,000 is 2% of 400,000. And the result is 43,000 euros. On contract B, he'll earn 30,000 salary and he'll earn 3% of 400,000. So that will turn into 30,000 plus 12,000, and the result is 42,000 euros. For part B, we are told that another employee, Mary, earned 50,000 in a particular year. She is on contract A. We have to find her total sales in that year. So I know that her wage is 35,000 plus the commission. So to find the value of the commission, I'm going to take 35,000 away from 50. And that's the commission on contract A. So to find what's the value of the sales, I remembered that 15,000 is 2% multiplied by the sales, or I can rewrite it as 0.02 times the sales. And from here, I get that sales equals to 15,000 divided by 0.02. And that gives me the value of sales of 750,000 euros. And the last part of this question is asking me to find the total sales for which a salesperson would earn the same amount of money under each contract. So the way to write this down is I'm going to say that X is sales, and I'm going to write down the value for the salary that a person earns at the end of the year. So that would be under contract A, it's 35,000 plus 2% multiplied by X, and it's the same as 30,000 plus 3% of X. So that's all well and good. Let's separate the variables so that the unknown variable is on its own. We'll get 35,000 minus 30,000 equals to 1% of X. Or in other words, I'm going to rewrite it using decimals, 0.01x. So 5,000 equals to 0.01x, and obviously the result of that is that x equals to 500,000. And that's the answer to this part, and that concludes this question, and this is a good place to stop.